Hello my dear students, today we'll study about shape of short-run cost curves. So if you remember in the last class we have discussed about concept of cost and types of cost. So today we will discuss about shapes of short-run cost curves, that is total fixed cost TFC, okay, total variable cost, that is TVC, and total cost, that is TC. Now we'll see what is the shape of TFC curve under short run. You can see the table which shows the output and the total fixed cost. The output varies from 0 to 6 units, but TFC remains fixed at 120 rupees. The points are plotted in the diagram and the line joining all the points is TFC curve. It is parallel to x-axis. Number 2, fixed cost is there even at 0 level of output. And number 3, fixed cost doesn't change with the output. So this was the total fixed cost. Now let us see total variable cost, or we say TVC curve. Now you can see the table is given. The total variable cost increases with every increase in output. The points are plotted in the diagram, and when these points are joined we get TVC curve. Now let us see some of the characteristics of TVC curve. TVC is 0 when output is 0. TVC keeps on increasing with the output. TVC keeps on increasing at decreasing rate due to law of increasing returns. TVC increases at constant rate due to law of constant returns. And TVC increases at an increasing rate due to law of diminishing returns. Hence, the curve is concave upwards. Now let us see total cost, that is TC. So TC equals to TFC plus TVC. When the TFC curve and TVC curve are combined together, we get total cost. Now as we know, the total cost is a combination of total fixed cost and total variable cost. Now what we will do, we will combine the total fixed cost and total variable cost together. After combining, a new table will be created on the right hand side. So that is total cost. So total cost is a combination of total fixed cost and total variable cost. So by adding, we will get 120 plus 0 will be 120, and 120 plus 50 will be 170. Similarly, 120 plus 90 will be 210, and 120 plus 120 will be 240, and 120 plus 150 will be 270. And this way we get a total cost schedule. Now we'll take the output and TC and we'll plot the value of TC, that is total cost, in the diagram. And when we'll join the diagram, we'll get total cost curve. Now let us see the relation between TVC, TFC and TC. Now as we have already derived TVC and TVC curves, now let us see how the relation has been established between TC, TVC and TFC. The vertical addition of two cost curves, that is TFC and TVC, gives TC curve. Now from each point on TVC curve, move up by 120 units, that is add 120 rupees. We will get the point on the total cost curve. And if we move total variable cost up to these points, what we will get? We will get a new curve, that will be your total cost curve. Enable us to understand important characteristics of total cost curve. TC curve is similar to TVC curve. Clear? And start somewhere along y-axis, which represents TFC curve. Each point on TC is greater than TVC by fixed cost, and the shape of TC is same as that of TVC curve. Now let us see some of the characteristics of TC curve. TC is equal to TFC when output is 0. From then on, TC keeps on increasing with the output. At the beginning, it is concave downwards due to law of increasing returns. At the point of inflection, the law of constant return operates. After that, it is concave upward due to law of diminishing returns. So this way today we have learned the shape of TFC curve, TVC curve and TC curve under short run.